Let's start to brew your perfect espresso. First, fill the water tank with clean water, making sure it doesn't exceed the max line. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The indicator will flash while it heats up. Once the indicator stops flashing and stays lit, the machine is ready. Next, choose a filter basket and place it into the portafilter. Rotate the bean hopper to adjust the grind size to your preference. Then, add your coffee beans. Place the empty portafilter into the grinding cradle and press the grind button to start grinding. The grinding will automatically stop once the preset amount is reached. Now, use the tamper to press the grounds firmly. The tamper should be level with the portafilter edges. Next, align the portafilter with the insert slot and turn it to the right until it lines up with the dial and sits parallel to the drip tray. Finally, press these buttons to choose your cup size and start brewing. The flashing indicators indicating that the brewing process has started. Once the coffee stops flowing, your espresso is ready. Now enjoy your espresso and savor every sip.